Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. We're doing something a little different today. We're doing a DIY again. It's for a hat wig. Check out my daughter here. Now this one is the junior edition. This is for, your little girl when she might be in between hairdos or something like that, or she just feel like being, a little extra. Here you go. But it can be adjusted for adults too, and we'll talk about that. So let's get into it. All right, so first we're gonna start out with a hat, a mannequin head, glue sticks, some glue gun, and some hair, and also some scissors. And all you're gonna do is flip the hat inside out, put it on the mannequin head, and basically you're just gluing the hair. Since this is the junior edition, when I glue the hair, you'll see that I'm gonna stop a little short of the front of the head. For adults, you want to take the hair and wrap it all the way around to like the white part. Basically, you're going to stop at the bib when you're making one for a full-size adult. But when this one is going to be for my daughter, so I'm stopping a little bit short because I don't want all that hair to be in her face. I want it to still, be like for a little girl, But actually, we're going to make matching ones, so I don't know. I might show you guys when I do mine. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Also, the safest way to do the hot glue gun is like I'm doing here, to put it kind of on the hat first, and then apply the hair to it. But it wasn't working out for me. So you're going to see where I switched it up a bit and I started putting the glue on the weft in my hand. But that's because I'm used to putting glue on stuff, like on wefts. So if you're not used to that, don't do that because you might burn yourself. You might have to lay the hair down on a table or something and, put it on the weft that way and then apply it to the hat. Whichever way is going to be the safest and the most comfortable for you, do it that way if you're not familiar with the hot glue gun. But yeah, basically this is all I'm doing. I'm just gluing it to the weft. I didn't start like at the bottom, like where the strap is. Some people put wefts on the strap. I don't know, because then you just lose the adjustment. You're not able to adjust it at all. And I wanted to be able to adjust it for her because she might have her hair in a ponytail or something. If you look at my previous videos, you'll see she has a head full of hair. So, it really just depends. She might need some more room or be able to adjust it. So I don't put the glue on the strap. Sorry. I don't put the hair on the strap. But it's up to you. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. So I'll let you guys enjoy the music and just see the rest of the video. If you have any questions, let me know. So also, let me come in real quick and remind you guys, if you haven't entered for the giveaway for the crochet hair, the Zuri 8, 9, 10 edition, you definitely want to go and look at that video and enter for your chance to win. There's going to be 2 drawings. The contest will be open for about another 3 weeks from the posting of this video. I'll also put the video in the suggested cards up top. So just hit the link when we're done here so you can learn how to win it, girl. Yeah, so we're bringing it in now. We're coming close to home. You guys, I love this idea. I love the hat wig because if you're natural, if you wear wigs and you got cornrows going on and you just trying to run to the store, like this is great. I'm actually going to be doing one for a cancer patient as well. I mean, they're just great. They're just great. They used to be really popular back in the day, and then the sew-ins happened, and now nobody was into them. But now that people are going back natural, man, yeah, it's working. I love it. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching. Peace and blessings.